Good day, students. Welcome to biology class. We'll continue our question and solution to 2018 SSE. Now we have question 34. An association between living organisms in which one lives and feeds at the expense. So the keyword here should be expense of the other. So when one lives and feeds at the expense of the other, that is, one will gain and the other is going to be harmed. Okay? So, and that is the parasitic association. So what is parasitism? Is the close association, or is a living together in close association between organisms of different species. Take note of that. Of different species, which one benefits, which is the parasites. The parasites benefit as a positive, okay? And the other is what? Is harmed. That is the negative, that is the host. So the answer here is parasite, because we say at the expense of the other. Now the next question, when large numbers of organisms share limited space, take note of that, and the resources. The major resources in the habitats are the food and the water. Then we also have the mating. Now the immediate result is dash. So this is talking about the competition. So the answer is there's going to be competition. Extinction means total wipeout. We cannot have total wipeout of the organism immediately. Okay, then emigration means moving out of the habitat. That is not the first thing that will happen. And immigration means moving into the habitat. So the answer is competition. So what is competition? Competition is defined as the struggle. That's the keyword. As a struggle. So as biology students, we have to know the keyword for each of the definition. So competition is a struggle for limited resources, okay, among organisms or between organisms. So let's go to the next question. That's question 36. Which of the following diseases is caused by bacterium? So we have the bacterial diseases. So the first one is ringworm, poliomyelitis, syphilis, and malaria. You should be able to try this. Ringworm is caused by a fungus. Okay, so it's not caused by worm. Okay, it's caused by a fungus. It's not by worm. Take note of that. Then poliomyelitis is caused by virus. Okay, that's a poliovirus. Then syphilis is caused by a bacterium called Treponema pallidum. So the answer is syphilis, caused by the bacterium called Treponema. Right here, but because of space, let me write it a pallidum. Treponema pallidum. So why the malaria is caused by? It's caused by protozoa. It's caused by protozoa, and we have different species of the protozoa, and we call them. We have the plasmodium. Yes, plasmodium. It's plasmodium species. So we're talking about that when we actually focus on the plasmodium or the malaria as a topic or as a question. So let's look at this question. We have conservation of wildlife is necessary mainly because, so why do we protect the wildlife? So this topic is conservation. So the answer is A, wild species cannot resist diseases better than their domesticated species. We don't know much about that. Many predator wild animals help in the control of pests. No, at all. And it prevents the extinction of species. So the answer is it prevent the extinction of species. So what's extinction? Extinction is the total wipe out of the species of an organism. So that is what we want to prevent. And that is why we conserve our natural resources, or we conserve our wildlife. So we'll meet in the next class. Goodbye.